What's up, YouTube Gymmers? How you guys doing? Hey, thank you so much for your participation on this YouTube channel. We're getting new subscribers every day. I'm seeing new victory stories posted every day. I'm seeing some great questions asked, and I'm going to be doing a lot better, getting in and answering your comments and questions. We're in about 4 different places right now, but I love the way that this community is growing. I love the stories that I'm seeing coming out of here, and I'm so glad that you're using this YouTube channel to get free resources to help you counteract your MS using movement, mindset, and education. So I am going to have some new content coming out shortly, but while I'm working on that, I want to let you guys know that next Tuesday, my wife Misty and I are going to be doing an entire workshop on navigating the holidays with MS. It will be at 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time next Tuesday. All right. Now, in this presentation, we're going to be talking about a number of different topics. Number one is going to be how to set boundaries for healing. How do you set boundaries with your schedule and your time? How do you say no to certain things and keep your priorities straight so that you can stay on your healing path, so you can get your exercise in, so you can work on stress reduction, so you can get the proper rest that you need so that you keep moving forward and the holidays don't set you back. The second thing that we're going to be talking about is conserving energy. As you know, you have limited energy stores with MS. And the holidays are already crazy. Some of you are already in them. Some of you are going into them. And we are going to be in them till mid-January. And so, with the holidays comes a lot of stress, a lot of flurry, a lot of energy, a lot of unpredictability, a lot of being pulled a lot of different places. And you need to have some strategies in place in order to proactively prepare for that. And that's what we want to cover. The third topic that Misty and I will be covering is choosing the right people and choosing the right events to attend. Because let's face it, there's some people that drain you. There's some people that are not going to make you feel warm and fuzzy. There's some people that are not going to understand what you're doing with using exercise and mindset training and community to counteract MS because they just don't know what they don't know. So you've got to have some strategies in place to kind of distance yourself with people and know what conversations, when to have a conversation that goes deeper, and then how to keep people at kind of a arm's length distance so you don't get discouraged. Furthermore, I want you to go to events that you want to go to. Obligation is something that can drain you. Obligation is something that can really throw you off and add a lot of stress. You need to be bold enough in order to say, I'm going to go here. I'm going to only go to these certain things, and everybody's going to have to be cool with it, right? And then the last topic that we're going to be talking about is how really to stay calm, stay present, and stay connected to yourself, to your plan, to this community, and to what your vision is going into 2020 so you don't get derailed by the holidays. So all you need to do to sign up for this free workshop is click the link below, and that will take you to a page where you just enter your name and your email, send those things in, register, rock it out, and then next Tuesday at 11:30 Mountain Time, 11:30 a.m. Mountain Time, Misty and I are going to be here fired up, ready to share some time with you. All right? So you guys keep moving, keep your body going, keep designing your life, keep rejecting that diagnosis, and let's keep this party started. So I will talk to you soon.